Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue the properties of soil. So one thing that is very important for today's class is that you make proper notes. I know you make it every day, but I'm reminding everyone to sit with your notebooks and a pen or a pencil and start taking notes. Yes, you have to write whatever that is on the screen. Also, whatever I'm explaining, if it makes sense, you can add that to your notes as well. You can pause the video right now to go get your notebook and a pen or a pencil. Okay, let's read the objective for today. You can read along with me. Student will be able to state the properties of soil and its uses, and also will be able to explain causes of diminished fertility of soil. Yes, so this is a big word. You can break it like this: diminished fertility of soil. So what does this mean? This means today we will learn two new properties of soil and we will state them. That we will make a list. Yes. So properties of soil. And then we'll make a list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And we will also explain. Explain as in to write. Yes. To give reasons why. You know? So explain causes of diminished fertility of soil. We'll see in a bit what do we mean by diminished fertility. Okay, so in our previous class, we had learned two properties of soil. Can you tell me them? That's right. Soil has color and soil has texture. Let's learn two new properties. Okay, so now look at the screen and tell me. You can see these four names. What should be the property called? Here you can see soil is in plates, that is platy. Then here it's like small particles, granular. It's in columns here, so columnar. Here it is blocky, it is kept in blocks. So here it's in columns, so columnar. Here it's in blocks, so we are calling it blocky. So what do you think it is? It is different structure. So soil has different structure. Soil का structure different होता है. So it can be available in plates or small particles or columns or blocks. So these are the four types of structures that a soil can be available in. So make a note of this. You can pause the video. Okay, now soil structure describes the way particles of soil are stuck together to form shapes called beds. Please write all of this down in your notebook. So what does this mean? This means कि जो soil का structure क्या होता है वो ये describe करता है, वो ये बताता है कि जो soil के छोटे छोटे particles है वो एक साथ कैसे they are stuck together, वो एक साथ कैसे जुड़े हुए हैं. और ये जो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स है ना, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? These are called beds. So beds कैसे है? Beds can be in terms of plates. First, plates हो सकती है that are here, or they can be small particles जो यहाँ पर है. They can be in columns or they can be in blocks. These are the four types of beds available, and हर एक beds को I have given a different name. Yes. So what is the structure of the soil having beds as plates? Platy. What about small particles? Granular structure. What about the soil whose particles are stuck together to form columns? We call it columnar. What about blocks? Blocky. Yes. So, you know, texture of the soil affects how much water and air will be there in the soil. So same way, texture will also determine how much soil and water, how much water and air will be there in the soil. Also, you can see, so in granular, we will definitely have a lot of air because all the particles are slightly away compared to a platy structure in which these particles, they're very close. The only space that air and water is in between the two plates. यहाँ पे definitely in between each particle we can see a lot of water and air can go. Yeah. So some soil structures have large spaces while others have small spaces. So in between the two particles, in between two plates, यहाँ पे थोड़ा space हो सकता है. In between two granular particles, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा space हो सकता है, right? I hope you have written all this down. Okay. Now look at this property. What is this boy doing? So he has taken this mud. Okay. He has taken this soil. He has put some water to it, and he's making it into a very thin wire-like shape. Yes, you can see is making into thin wire-like shape. So what can this property of soil be? Remember clay can be put into any shape, but can you do that with the beach wala sand? Both are soil, right? Both are types of soil. So can you do the same thing by sand? So what can this property be? Is property ki use se you can change the shape of the soil. This is called property of plasticity. So plastic ko we can mold in any shape, right? So that is why we call it plasticity. The absorbed water in clayey soil leads to the plasticity of soil. It indicates its capacity to change shape without altering its volume. So soil का quantity change नहीं होता है, but इसका shape change हो जाता है. Yes. So write this down, make a note of it. Plasticity means changing shape. The quality of being easily shaped. Yes. Okay. Uses of soil. So here are the 4 pictures. Can you tell me what is the use in picture number 1, 2, 3, and 4? Where do you see soil being used? Picture number 2 is very easy. Here in picture number 2, the soil is being used to grow grass and trees. Grass or tree को grow करने के लिए we are using soil. Here we are using soil. 4 is also easy to make bricks. Here we are using soil to make pots. Here you can see trees, so definitely trees. What about this dam? Can you see this dam? What about this dam? We are also using soil to make this dam. Yeah, let's read. Soil provides nutrients to plant to grow well. Correct. Second, due to property of plasticity, we can use it to make bricks, pots, idols, etc. करेक्ट क्योंकि वो प्लास्टिसिटी की प्रॉपर्टी है उसके पास. दैट प्लास्टिसिटी का प्रॉपर्टी चेंज शेप. सो नाउ आई टेल यू कि आपके घर में जो स्टील का प्लेट है उसको उठा के उसको उसका शेप चेंज करो, क्या वो इजीली हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा. यू विल हैव टू हिट इट विथ हैमर. सो इट डज नॉट हैव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ प्लास्टिसिटी. यस, but if I tell you pick up clay and change its shape, so you can do it and it will stay like that, right? So it has property of plasticity. We build bunds and embankments to conserve water, so it helps in water conservation. So soil is helping us to conserve water also. We are making bunds and embankments, है ना? So here, like this dam, we are making that. So these are the three uses of soil. So please make sure to write it down. Okay, now we're moving to a new topic called diminished soil fertility. So what diminished means है? Diminished मतलब कम हो जाना, reduce हो जाना. कम, sorry ये मात्रा नहीं है, कम हो जाना, कम हो जाना. ठीक है, कि सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी है वो कम हो जाती है. सो व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल? Fertility of the soil we have studied. Okay, it means कि can I grow plants in it? हर soil में आप plants नहीं grow कर सकते हो. Sand में can you grow plants easily? No, you cannot. But can you grow plants in ऐसा soil which has lot of खाद in it, lot of fertilizers in it? Yes, you can. Yes. So soil का fertility कम हो जाता है. कैसे कम हो जाता है? Let's see. लो प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, जो खाद होता है, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होता है, वो कम हो जाता है. अगर वो कम हो जाएगा तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स कम हो जाएंगे सॉइल में. अगर न्यूट्रिएंट्स कम होंगे तो प्लांट के पास फूड नहीं होगा. रिड्यूस कल्टिवेशन ऑफ द सेम क्रॉप. So this we spoke about earlier also. So each crop needs different nutrients, है ना. हर क्रॉप को डिफरेंट न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए होता है, डिफरेंट चीजें चाहिए होती है ग्रो होने के लिए. सो अगर आप सपोज मेरा कोई क्रॉप है जिसको नाइट्रोजन चाहिए सॉइल से, मैं उसको ग्रो कर देती हूँ, तो सॉइल का नाइट्रोजन कम हो गया, तो अगेन मैं वो वाला क्रॉप सेम क्रॉप ग्रो कर देती हूँ, अगेन उसका नाइट्रोजन कम हो गया. बाकी न्यूट्रिएंट्स है बट नाइट्रोजन कम हो रहा है, राइट. सो आफ्टर लाइक 2-3 टाइम्स इट इज पॉसिबल कि अब जब मैं फोर्थ टाइम वही क्रॉप दोबारा ग्रो करूंगी वो नहीं होगा क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन पहले ही चला गया था सारा. सो दैट इज व्हाट इट्स ए रिपीटेड कल्टीवेशन ऑफ द सेम क्रॉप. तो मैं बार बार सेम क्रॉप को अगर ग्रो करती जाऊंगी वो सॉइल में तो उसका फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगा. ऑफ कोर्स देन एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर एंड पेस्टिसाइड. सो इंसेक्ट्स को मारने के लिए और फर्टिलाइज करने के लिए सॉइल को मैं बहुत सारा यूज कर देती हूँ, तो क्या होगा? तभी भी उसकी फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप बीमार हो, ठीक है, एंड में आपको डॉक्टर ने कहा एक मेडिसिन खाना और आपने 10 खा ली, तो क्या होगा? आप और ज्यादा बीमार हो जाओगे. यस, सेम वे अगर सॉइल में मैं बहुत ज्यादा केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर और पेस्टिसाइड यूज कर दूंगी तो उसकी हेल्प नहीं होगी, वो सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगी, वो सॉइल बीमार हो जाएगी, राइट. Continuous use of saline water. So what is saline water? That's salty water. Okay. So soil, अगर हम soil में बहुत ज़्यादा salty water बार बार use करते रहेंगे तो भी उसका fertility कम हो जाएगा. Lot of salt will come in. Okay. Now ending with the assignment for today. These are the 3 questions. Please make a note of them. Pause the video, write them down, and then send the answers. That's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for being with me.